start making honeycomb candy. Coat the cutter with baking soda, so it won't stick later when we press it on our candy. Prepare our two main ingredients. We have white sugar and baking soda. Heat the ladle and pour 3 teaspoons of sugar. Stir it thoroughly with a wooden stick. It will look like this, and then continue to stir. After 2 to 3 minutes, it should look like this. Add a pinch of baking soda and continue to mix. When the color changed, it's ready. Be very careful of the mixture, it is really hot. Slowly pour the mixture on a glass surface board. You can also use salt grinder bottle as a presser. Coat it with baking soda and slightly press it to the candy. Use the shape cutter and press it again on top of the candy. The honeycomb mini version is done. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.